Welcome to the next episode of Fun Things to Do on a Caravanning Holiday. Today, finding the remainder. As a recap from last time, to start off, have a go at doing this sum here. Write it down, pause the video, and see how good an answer you get. Okay, now, that's a little bit unfair because there's a slight trick to this one. But I want to see if you could do it first, with some initiative and going through it. So, we've got 2x cubed minus 4x squared. Subtract x plus 2, and that is divided by x minus 2. As a 4, how many x's into 2x cubed? Well, we have to multiply this by, let's do pink, my favourite colour, 2x squared. So 2x squared times x minus 2 gives us 2x cubed minus 4x squared, which gives us nothing. It's exactly the same when you subtract them. Okay, we've run out of stuff to do. Well, not quite. We've still got these two bits to take down. So we've got minus x and a plus 2. So all we're going to do is, because that's already cancelled, we just skip down to the next part. Okay, to get x to negative x, times by negative 1. So negative 1 times x minus 2 gives us negative x plus 2, which is 0. So our answer is 2x squared subtract 1. And this is called our quotient, or quotient if you mispronounce it, but it's quotient. Right, that's a small recap from last time, plus a little twist. This time, looking at something like this. It's the same as before, except I've written an as a big fraction as opposed to a division sum. But as you know, it means the same thing. So we're going to do 2x cubed, subtract 5x squared, subtract 16x plus 10 divided by, x subtract 4. So far, a mistake in every video. Have a go at it first, pause it, see what you can do, and then we'll go through it afterwards. Okay, hopefully you've tried that now. Let's have a look what we get. So, things multiply x to get 2x cubed. Well, that's going to be 2x squared. So 2x squared times x minus 4 gives us 2x cubed minus 8x squared. And we're going to subtract these. So they cancel out. Negative 5 subtract negative 8 makes it positive, so it becomes 3x squared. Right, what do you multiply x by to get 3x squared? That's probably going to be positive 3x. I hope you got this right so far. So 3x times x take 4 gives us 3x squared, thank goodness. Subtract 12x. Oops, don't forget to bring down these bits last time. Right, subtract them. They cancel, brilliant. Minus 16 plus negative 12 makes it positive. So it's going to be negative 4x. Right, x to negative 4x, that's going to be times by negative 4. Let's go back to red. Yes, negative 4. So negative 4 times x subtract 4 is negative 4x plus 16 bring those down from last time. Here we go. Right, minus 4 is going to cancel out. 10 subtract 16. Minus 6. Well, in which case, we can tell two things. Firstly, this is not a factor of this expression. It's only a factor if the remainder is 0, i.e. there's no remainder. So this isn't a factor. But when we do divide it, we get a quotient of 2x squared plus 3x minus 4, and a remainder of negative 6. Right, and a big high five if you got all this correct down to here, and an even bigger high five if you figured out that negative 6 was our remainder, and that was the end of our problem. Right, over to you.